from the Philippine National Police, our mayors from Ilocos Sur and Ilocos Norte, yung magabigat po, and everyone here in attendance today, yung magabigat. Today's turnover of the newly procured vehicles, equipment, and firearms are a concrete investment in the safety of our communities and a reaffirmation of government's duty to protect every Filipino family. On behalf of the 1st District of Ilocos Norte, I extend my deep thanks to the Department of the Interior and Local Government under Secretary John Rick Remulla, represented this morning by our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Dindo Reyes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for ensuring that resources reach the ground where they matter most, where they can save lives, and where they can strengthen the daily work of our police. The delivery of these vehicles, firearms, and ammunition is a recognition of the realities our police confront every day. Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur are growing provinces. Along with development comes new responsibilities, new pressures, and sometimes new threats. Our police force cannot face modern challenges with outdated tools. They deserve equipment that matches their courage and professionalism. These resources will strengthen mobility, speed up response time, and improve the ability of our officers to operate in both urban centers and far-flung barangays. Proper equipment is essential to effective law enforcement. When our police are equipped and well-trained, communities gain confidence, people feel safer, and crime prevention becomes more effective. But equipment alone does not define security. It is the character of the men and women who wear the uniform that truly protects our people. To our officers here today, thank you for your discipline, your sense of duty, and your continued commitment to serve. Each time you report for work, you make a choice to put service above self. That is not lost on us. Palakpakan naman natin ako. Let me assure you that I and the leaders of both Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur will always support initiatives that uplift your welfare, improve your working conditions, and strengthen your capacities and capabilities. Public safety is our shared responsibility, and more so than that, given the current political climate that we live in, given that there are forces that would like to see this government fail, and there are forces that want to see a change in a regime, your job is now more important than ever. So again, to the people of the Philippine National Police, I thank you for your service. I thank you for keeping our country safe. Agbiag, iti PNP Apo, agbiag, iti Ilocos Norte, agbiag, iti Ilocos Sur, Diyos unay, diag din Apo.